So let's go ahead and start streaming on that thing. Start streaming on that thing. Boom. Okay. Hey. All right, and then let's pick real quick. Check my channel. All right. Oh, mute myself. All right. All right. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna get the kick chat later without having the kick stream up. But what's up, y'all? SuperDaveWho here, and we about to get heavy into coding. Because Cursor 2.0 dropped yesterday. I know you guys are like, yo, what is this? What is this thing on? He's been playing games. He's been running with Nano Banana. He's been editing photos. He's been editing videos. He's been building his websites. Now I'm taking over the world. All right, that's what I'm on. SuperDaveWho. Catch me on A stream. You know, the purple, the red, the green. We on everything now. I don't care. But if you really want to follow me, it's whovisions.com. I'm here with my boy Fabian from 1019 KBG. I'm about to show him Cursor 2.0 because oh my god, I put the trial on, the 7-day trial. No. There's no if. I'm going to make money. I'm going to make money with this. It's about to be stupid. 1019, gang. KBG to the TOP. All right. So we live. We're gonna close this. And then if y'all chatting to me in other streams, I'm just figuring out how to get this multi-chat coming through. So, bear with me, guys, but we making it through. So right now, what we got here is, you should see it too, right? You just see like a black screen. This is Cursor 2.0. We're going to close it because I was actually in the app. Good afternoon, Super Dave. What can I help you with? You can help me with coding. Help me with coding in Cursor 2.0. All right. Let's head to our lives. Where's my camera? Bring it on. Where's my camera? Bring it on. Get it on. All right, now. Where is my background? I want you. Hello. Okay. So, as Microsoft says, Cursor 2.0 is a powerful AI-first coding environment built around a new model called Composer and a multi-agent interface. It's designed to help you code faster and smarter and more collaboratively. Here's how you get started and make the most of it. Composer model, Composer's first proprietary coding model. So this is 24 hours, guys. 24 hours. Cursor just dropped their own AI model called Composer, and this shit is so fucking fast. I cannot right now, ChatGPT is crying how fast Composer is. I cannot keep up with the world with all these betas and these AIs. But right, beta, how to use Cursor 2.0 for coding. You start a project, you open Cursor, you create an import a code base, blah, blah, blah. So I already downloaded Cursor. So you see, Cursor recently added. And we are going to open Cursor. Now, Cursor, this is running an app that I was playing with, Shoot Sync. I'm still trying to get it to launch and everything, but it's right house, then open, blah, blah, blah. I want to start a new project. So agents, where is it? Plus, that's a new agent. I could go editor mode. How do I get to a new project? Open a remote window. Create a new branch. I don't want to create a new branch. I want to work on a whole new project. Yeah, I'm on the pro trial. How do I get out of these settings? Where the book? View. Oh, here we go. All right. Open file, add file, blah, blah. Anyways, it looks like they just had an update. So we're going to install this update anyways. We're going to do this update and then we're going to go into our GitHub real quick because we're going to create a new repo. Now, Fabian, give me an app idea. All right, so new. It could be as stupid as simple. Now, guys, go to GitHub, github.com, get you a free account, and start setting up repositories. Repositories is how you build websites, it's how you build apps, it's how you build the coding language you need to put this out on the internet and everything reads. So I'm making a new repository in my WhoVision's GitHub, Cursor app. We are going to ask ChatGPT real quick. We're going to screenshot. Now, I'm going to show you how crazy this is, right? We just need some information, give it over to ChatGPT. Now, everybody loves ChatGPT because the model is very human and it really just understands everything universally. The other AI models are all built for specific things. Like when you see me using Suno, that's because we're specifically working on music. If we're working on Nano Banana, that's specifically because we're doing images and videos. If we are working with, oh no, VO3, I haven't even started doing like all of the video stuff yet. But yeah, so we got a lot of things that we're going to be working on. So GitHub profile, okay, front end and back end integration with WhoVision's Cursor 2.0 assistant built in React. All right, so this is a description ChatGPT built for me. All you have to do with ChatGPT, guys, I don't know why you guys are wasting time with typing to your app when it has eyes. Honestly, Windows S, screenshot your screen, Control V, paste it into the text prompt, and ChatGPT will read what you're doing in life and will continuously move forward for you. So if you don't even know what to tell your AI, just show it what you're seeing. Show it what you see, and it will teach you how you should see that and how you should perceive things. All right, creator friendly, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I don't need any extra, whatever. If you're going public, go with the first one. Whatever. You just got one? All right, let me. Local, national, and international. Opportunities. That's the prompt. All right. All right. So we're gonna start this in a new chat right now. I really need to take this web chat GPT off. It's cute, but it's like it makes my whole chat GPT look ugly. All right, so we're gonna open that there, and then we're gonna do something else, guys. All right. Now, you've seen me for a little bit working with Google AI Studio. So before we even get into Nano Banana, not Nano Banana, before we even get into hardcore with this new Cursor 2.0 app, I'm going to show you with Gemini Google AI Studio how it's going to take his idea. So we want an app that scans news, local, national, international, and finds business opportunities. All right. We're going to tell it to build. All right. It is now 3:17. We're just going to let it run. It's building the app. Tomorrow's the Halloween costume party. We staying inside, boys. We coding for the future. Fuck Halloween. All right. Now, while we coding, let me open up some chats because I don't know if you guys are talking to me or not. I hope we talking. I hope somebody wants to say hi. I hope you guys like me. Do I have Twitch chat on here? No, I don't have Twitch chat on here. Do I have Twitch chat on here? What do you want to be weird for? I have Twitch on here? Oh, that's what I need. All right, we need to allow this app to request geographical. All right, so right now, Google AI in like 2 minutes built a whole visual AI right here with select new scopes. You can hit locals. So I'm going to allow Google AI to look at my local GPS right now. While that's going on, I don't care about this Halloween costume party. Right, it's now analyzing news in my local area. So now, it literally, all it did is I said, build the app with this one prompt, right? It thought for 20 seconds. It ran for 66 seconds. Gemini 2.5 Pro, right? We're on metadata. And then this is all the components and the build within it, the repo. And now we have, let's see, we have a couple things. Sources. So it's telling me it's listening to sources: CBS News, News 12, Bronx Times, News 12, 6th Street, Bronx Times, right? Bronx Business Boom Consulting, the Bronx Chamber, the Business, right? Bronx E-Bite Express, okay. Safe Passage Youth Escort Service, all right. Armory Artisan Marketplace, Snap Grocer. Okay, so now it built us some, pretty interesting pretty interesting local job listings from the news sources. Now we're going to pull in national. And we haven't even like give it any specific detailed anything, right? But we're going to hit this. What you need me to go back for? All right, we're going back to the local one. While that's happening. No. I changed the tab real quick. I need a page. I need a page for my chats. Let me create this repository real quick. All right. So this is the local, which you wanted to see. No. I have too many keyboards, okay? Right. So now let's go to national. And mind you, it's Google. So once Google asked for my location, it already pulled the API. I didn't have to give it its API. I didn't have to do anything, right? Now, the fun thing about this is that you can actually save these apps here, right? I could copy the app, I could download the app, or I could save it to GitHub. Now, this is going to be very, very, very crucial. Because like I said, you just saw me make a GitHub repository. We can be making apps in Google AI Studio and then sending it to Cursor to find precise, right? I can now return to the Twidget app. What is Twidget? All right, and then let's look at international. Right, and then Google AI Studio is beautiful because it could show you like in tablet mode, and you could rotate. You could go to mobile mode, and you could see what it's going to look like rotated in landscape, or you could go to portrait mode. You see now this little pop-up. Obviously, we're going to have to change some things in the app because that pop-up should go away. Like unless I didn't select the news source. So this is the hallucination thing with internet or computers. Like, how are you making me an app that I can't even really log into? Make it make sense. Please make it make sense. All right. So that was the issue I was running into Google AI Studio is that, hey, it's cool, things are happening. So I can go and stuff like, hey, in mobile mode, the news selection won't disappear after I select location. Right? We're going to go ahead and tell it to change that. Now, while that's going on, we're going to go to Cursor. Two things. Cursor has a new dashboard. So supposedly, you could connect to Cursor and they have a whole... I'm on the wrong... I need this one, right? Yeah, you're right here. All right. Cursor. All right. Look. And as soon as I go to Cursor, because I'm logged into my little trial account, we get a little video, Cursor agent on web and mobile. So let's listen to this. Why is it so low? whatever. All right, so we're going to get started. Now here, ask Cursor to build, right? Now in Cursor, we could pick the model. We could hit multiple models. We could say GPT, we could do Codex, Codex High, Sonnet, Sonnet is Claude, Opus 4.1, I don't know who Opus 4.1 and is and Composer. Now, if you notice, Google's not here. We're going to use Composer because Composer is their brand new model. Now we got to select a repository, right? That's why I went ahead and built a repository ahead of time. Because unlike other AI stuff, you can't just write into the text thing without writing that prompt in. But so now these are agents, right? I could search for agents too. I haven't searched for agents, right? But I failed to create an agent. We want an app. All right. Failed to create an agent. New agent. Create an app. Why are you okay? Maybe let's try it with multiple models real quick. Oh my god. Is everybody the repository is see, okay. I'm sitting here like, what's going on? All right, so my repository is empty right now. So we have to go back to GitHub. Okay. Now Google AI Studio. I should have already done something here. But where's my repositories? All right. There's my repo. All right, we're going to set this up. Don't I already have GitHub? Oh, I didn't finish downloading it or installing it. Oh, wrong computer, Dave. I've been coding on the other computer. Mm-hmm. Editon, AI Hello, Snopey. Thank you. Thank you for the chat. Thank you for dropping in, saying hello, what's up? Man. All right. Now we sign into our GitHub, continue GitHub, authorize the desktop, blah, blah, verify via email. Please send me a code. Here's my code. We verify, and now we have GitHub. All right, configure Git. Name, Who Visions, that's my email. Finished. All right. We could clone repositories. We could create a new repository in the local drive. We can add. I'm going to go to here. And we're going to clone this repository. Documents, GitHub, Cursor app, right? Yep. GitHub, blah, blah, blah. Just go ahead and clone that repository. All right, so there's nothing in here. open the repository. So we're just going to open this in Visual Studio Code right now. Trust the authors. Yes, I trust the authors. All right, start. All right. Now, what is this? Build an agent. Build with agent mode. Let's get started. Add default contents for this app. All right. What AI is this connected to? That's what I want to know. Chat settings. Chat agent enabled, agent max. I'm gonna have to look into that. Who is this agent? All right. Whatever, Visual Studio Code is already going ahead and building me the files I need for the app. So here's the readme.md. There's the license, and there's the get ignore. Right? I want to know real quick though. Visual Studio agent mode? Question mark? Oh, it's with Copilot? Is that right? Powered by GitHub Copilot is an advanced AI assistant coding feature that functions as an autonomous pair programmer that allows Copilot. Oh. I guess it makes sense. Agent mode transforms Copilot from a code suggester. Okay. So we're going to be working with a lot of coders. I didn't know. I've been working with my website without that. All right. So boom. Now we have basic files in here. All right. So if we look at cursor, what is this? Is this? No, that's for shoot sync. Where are we? It's 5 coding. Agent cursor. Okay. Now we could go back into cursor, right? We want an app that scans news, local, national, international, finds business opportunities. Yo, I just set up all the files. So we're going to try this again. Put a fresh restart. What do you mean my repository is empty? Maybe you just didn't see it correctly? Oh. I know why. I did it locally. So, because it's locally, let's go ahead and commit and push everything. Yo, Hurricane Melissa crazy outside. I'm glad I made that play today earlier. We inside. All right. So because we were using Cursor Web, we needed to push the files back off of the local server to the actual server. So this should be pushed now, open on GitHub. So now it's pushed, right? So now that it's pushed, this should work. Let's take GPTX off of that. There we go. Starting the cloud agent. Sorry about that, guys. So you have to build a repo and put in some basic README files, at least first, for the cursor web application to start really working with you. But now you can start building agents in Cursor 2.0. Everybody's going to talk to you about all the jargon and da 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 da. Now I'm just going to tell you how to fucking make an app, all right? We're just gonna learn how to fucking make an app. Oh, what's up, Angela? How am I doing? I am doing good. I am doing phenomenal right now. I am out here. We coding right now with Cursor 2.0. It's been about 24 hours, and Cursor just dropped one of the grandest AI agents out there. As you can see, right now, it's just literally writing lines of code for me. Just writing lines of code. I said, build me an app, scan for news and businesses, right? And now I have a little, right? I have, boom, something that's kind of built. So now you're telling me, let's see, that's a copy. That's just a copy for that, right? This is the main JS. All right. Now we can open this in Cursor. No, we don't want to open that in Cursor yet. View PR. This is the pull request. So I don't really care about the pull request right now. These are the commits I made and they made. And then you can see the code, right? You can see everything here. The app will be available when using the command above, right? So now it's telling me we need to use this command to make the app. So load the app. Do I play League of Legends? I haven't played League of Legends in a minute, to be honest. I'm gonna be serious. Wow, that is such a call. League of Legends. Oh, what am I doing? Look at all these screens I have open, guys. By the way, where I'm from, I am. League of Legends is a cursed game. I am from Haiti. I am from IET. I'm from the islands. But where I'm at right now, I am in New York, New York. And you know what? We're going to just move the chat to this side of the screen. Nice to meet you too, Sapase. Hope you're doing good today. SuperDaveWhoTV. And today I am multi-streaming. So we're trying to see how this multi-streaming is doing. Am I? Wait, I thought I was streaming on... Yeah, I'm streaming right now. There we go. Wow. All right. So now I have a YouTube chat. And now the Kiki or the you just took a break from work and my stream came in suggestion. Thank you. Thank you. We out here coding. We out here coding. So you see the first part of the app took about 4 minutes. Now we're about to load and they're about to start the app on a local server for me, port 5000. 2 prompts. I wrote 2 things. Guys. 2 things. We're just chilling, chatting here. This is phenomenal what Cursor 2.0 is doing because it is literally just allowing you to use your brain. Thank you. It's my pleasure to have you here in the chat. Because we out here, okay? You part of the gang now. All right? Represent. You put some owls in the chat. You should see it in the I have emoticon. You put some owls in the chat. We're gonna have some more emoticons as we build and stuff, because you know I like talking to people, but until the people come, we talking to all these bots and making the money rain. If you're gonna ask me about graphic designing and making Twitch assets and all of this stuff, understand I've got like 10 different AIs all running and doing stuff for me. I can show you the assets my AI's been doing for my Twitch. It's crazy. Can we start this local server? All right, I should just really just run this inside. It's so much easier when you run this inside the local port. So we're gonna open in cursor. Incorrect repository. The background agent is for repository, but your current workspace. Why? Oh, I have to open up workspaces. Is that what's going on? Open a workspace. That's what it's called. Open a workspace. So if I go back here, I go to documents, I go to GitHub, I go to cursor app, right? And I say I open. Oh, I can't open the workspace like that? Add folder to workspace. Save workspace. Close folder. Oh, that's the easiest thing. No. I already have it. I already have it. It's just I was looking for how to fucking close it. It's not the easiest thing. I already made a something for it. So select folder. Thank you. All right, get in here. All right. So you see it's in progress right now. Serve the app locally on port, blah, blah, blah. So now it has a terminal mode, right? It's going to be running the command. It's generating. And while it generates, we can actually add more agents, right? So we can add a new agent. We call this one, you are the visual UI agent for this app. I will be feeding you with all the design necessary. Start with an elite modern look with a bottom nav bar. With a top and bottom nav bar, right? All right. So this agent's going to go ahead and start developing the UI for this app. This agent, you know what? Let's cancel this terminal operation. Let's stop. All right. And we're gonna copy this again. I think this command got stuck in between because I was moving from the web to the local server. So now it's gonna launch it. It's getting the environment ready for me. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Oh, what happened, Angela? The question went away? It sucks, bro. It sucks, though. For everybody out here who are designers and artists like myself who have been who have been working really long. Hello, I saw your stream on Kick and like your content. I support streamers in growing their channels, gain followers. So you know what? We'll give you a whole kick follow, buddy. We'll give you a kickback. How about that? I'll give you a kickback. I'm on my wrong account. We'll kick back later. I'm just here for the chats. We're just here for the chats. Anybody want to chat? I'm here. All right. Cool, cool. Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. I don't know why it itself is not booting, but I can just put this command in the terminal. I think what's happening right now is everybody just found out what the fuck is going on, and Cursor's having an overload problem. See, this just finished. It's thinking. Been thinking for a while. Oh my god. All right. So while that is going, we're gonna go back here, right? And we've already been vibe coding on this. So what I want to do is I just want to go ahead and save this to GitHub. Right? Sign into GitHub. With my Google. Okay, here we know. Here we go. Thank you. Approve. There's what I'm waiting for. Now it's gonna start launching the app over there. I want to use another account. What? So much signing in right now. Oh, we're dead. All right. What did I need to do here? I'm here, right? Installed the GitHub app. Oh, okay, okay. Now, didn't I already install the app though? Yeah. So now, what's going on? Restart. Friend Spotter AI. Allow. Save to GitHub. We did this whole sign in. Oh, I see. We did not save it. So let's make this larger. Connect AI. Saves. So where is my repository? All right, how do we get this repository now? Google AI Studio. I'm so confused. Why won't it let me upload the repository? Should I just fucking save it? We're just gonna download the app. And then this is what it is. So if we go to GitHub, we'll make a new repository. Spotter AI. Blah, blah, blah. Add a README. All right. Now we need to upload files, right? Google didn't want to put the files on its own. So we'll just drag these 13 files right there. What? There we go. I'll make these changes real quick. All right. You are being annoying, Visual Studio. Save to GitHub. Oh, I see. You do have, okay, that makes more sense. You have to select a certain repository. So call this Spotter Gem AI. We'll keep it private. Spotter AI build. All right, and then we create the Git repo. Skrilla. We submit his. Tweet. All right, we stage and commit all these changes now. All right. Now that that's done, right? We go over here. Oh, you guys ran into a problem over there. And then cursor, what's going on over here? Next, I suggest eating open and this, okay. So right here, it told me exactly what the problem. So we're gonna have to say, we're gonna create a new agent, or actually we don't need to create a new agent. We're just gonna tell this agent to go ahead and do that. To open index directly Okay. We're going to tell that agent to go ahead. Approve the terminal. All right. Okay. I'm not coding, guys. I'm just talking to it. It's doing everything for me. And when I come into errors, I'm just supervising and saying, hey, fix this. All right. You need me to allow this. So you guys, so it's creating the environment now. All right. Let's see. I got to allow something else. Yep. Now it's running. Now it's about to, you still there, Fabian? All right. So it looks like it's running the command now. You see how it had an error and it told me what the error is, and I told her to fix the error. Now it's about to go ahead and launch itself. It told me exactly what it's doing. Now it's done. It's installed the node. It started. And then now it's saying the app should be accessible, right? So if I look at terminal, or if I click here, my localhost 5000, not there yet. So let's just tell it launch. It's not there because I don't see anything in I don't see anything in terminal right now going on. Rerun the command. Yes. Okay. You see how it pushed the launch now? It pushed my Google up. It's actually running in terminal now. So we are just gonna done issues with the lab, open cursor to view the agent's output. So it started running. I don't know why I can't read anything in my Oh. All right. I don't see anything. I'm going to tell it I don't see anything right now. So it's going to be thinking about what's going on. I want to close my terminal because I don't know what's going on. What happened to my terminal right here? Oh, you're over here? I just can't see PowerShell? I see what's on the local host. So nothing popping up on the local host. Let's kill this power. Okay. Allow that. We're gonna kill all. I think I was running too much on the terminal. All right. Yes, I'd like to restart that. All right. Allow that. There we go. Now I can see the output and I can see the terminal again. All right. So now, as you can see, the agent itself is just sitting there in its own, on its own running code while I'm doing something else, supervising the code and just trying to see left and right what's going on in the code. So rather than busting my brain over like writing this text left and right, it's so now it says double click. Likely the server isn't running. Open the file directly and then start a server. So double click this or run. So we're going to do this. I'm going to take this command. Okay. While that is having its own, oh, was there stuff I needed to stage over here? You should have been pushing on your own. All right. All right. So I'm gonna tell this to deep check all the files for errors right now because it's having an issue launching this. All right. So while we're doing that, let's make sure this went to GitHub. No changes to commit. So that's on GitHub now, which means we can start a whole new one, right? And now I should see this, right? TrendSpotter Gem AI. Check all files. All right. So now you see I just have agents running in the background. This is on the Cursor app. This is on the TrendSpotter app, right? I'm going to go to Shoot Sync, Launch App. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. right. All right. This might not have anything in it. So now, but this one over here is reviewing all issues I have over there. This one is reviewing all my project files in this other trend spotter. No errors, no enters. So I can go ahead and launch this app, right? So we're gonna have this one launch. All right. It was just the first hour or so, but hey, we doing something all right. While we're doing that, I know I'm boring you, Fabian, because these codes ain't working. I mean they are working, but they're being complicated. So what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna pull up something else. I started thinking about another app, right? We're gonna pull up some information. And one of the things I was reading about today is about the divide AI is about to have. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good. Keep pushing. No, that's my motherfucking nigga. Put some bricks on, cuz. Got a mistress. He's like, all right, we're gonna give. We're telling our language to ChatGPT to translate the language. Um, All right. I should use Codex too, huh? Waka, 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 waka. All right. So Google's over here building an app for me, a Haitian app, and we will bring that in. All right. So you hardened the code. I don't know why you weren't. Okay. The first decolonized AI ecosystem racing for access, not dominant. You're still trying to do your local host shit. We're sure that's still running over there. Done. Right. You say it's on a different local host? Why did you open up 5,000? Can you not see your errors right now? Can I invite you as a collaborator? How do I? What was this shit again? Email? That's for my shoot sync. Let's see if Visual Code will launch it in terminal. I think something with this update just made cursor be weird, but I'll show you cursor on my other computer, what I was doing with my website. But one of the things is, you see how fast it's writing the code? So I'll tell it to just make a website just so we got some simple stuff going on. But the way it's just writing stuff is mad fast right now, mad crazy. All right. We're gonna build with Cloud too, because it seems like I already got about as an AI is trying to get. I walked away. I'm saying we're gonna work on Cloud because like I mean, God, as an AI, bro. Someone trials, someone not. Like it's wild. Why am I? Oh my God! It's happening again. All right. I think it's because I started loading cursor here. Okay. Um. So now, am I cutting up still or no? I'm good. Whatever. We'll figure it out. It's I'm not the mic, it's the computer. Having USB overload issues. Okay, mic is there. Yeah, I know. It's processor issues. So now what is this? That's the stream chat. So yes, yeah, we don't need that over here. That could go over there. Actually, that could just go over there. All right. So allow this real quick. So let me show you what it's actually been doing with a website. Okay. I guess I need a little bit more I need a little finesse with just the apps, but this shit should be launching. Go. All right, you keep loading my local host. So you went ahead and updated. Now, can we start this terminal? Hmm? No, I'm getting height on this other thing. So I just want to start a whole new thing with cursor. All right? Because it needs to be, it's easier than this. Dashboard, right? All right, dashboard. I can invite your team. So enter the team name is Who Visions. How many seats do you need to? Oh, I gotta pay. Oh, it wants me to pay for a team? Fuck that. I could connect to Slack and I could connect to Linear. But I don't need that right now. All right. So agents. We go to agents, right? Okay. Let's go to GitHub. Let's manage our repositories real quick. Why don't you want to listen to me, cursor? I don't know if I like this update. Because you don't want to fucking load unless I'm being dumb and you already loaded it. But I didn't see a website pop up. Yeah, you ain't loaded shit. Say kill and restart. Oh, my camera real quick. Bro, I'm so tight, Fabian. I'm so excited because like I was just doing mad shit last night. I forgot how I was just doing it mad easy. And now it's like, hey, what is going on? I didn't change anything, cursor. Hey, I don't see you running. I want to see you running this for me. I'm gonna show you what my website was looking like. It just being, it's being weird with the terminal now. Like it's not launching my terminals. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna run my own terminal because I could git bash or I could just run it from my own terminal. You see, my terminal's running it fine. Maybe I should just run all the other codes from terminal. I'll run the app from its own terminal, not within cursor. Cursor's supposed to let me run it inside it, but I'm only like less than 24 hours learning fucking cursor, and I'm only weeks back into retraining myself in this new technologies of coding. I used to code regular HTML websites. The brackets, baby. The semicolons. It is the right port. What just happened? It's just still trying to run it. Oh, it was right there running too. I just killed it. All right. There we go. Yo, start my terminal. Oh my god, cursor, what are you doing now? Let's close cursor. Now let's close this terminal. Let's open this backend terminal. Let's nullify dev this. Let's open up our Visual Studio Code. Where's my agent? So now we have Copilot and Zencoder working within my website trying to fix what's going on with package.jsn. Zencoder, I forgot I put a pro trial on Zencoder. Everything's on trial. Let's do codec. All right. So I don't think I've actually really ever worked with codec. We're gonna do that extension. How about that? All right. So now Codex over here is trying to run the app script. Meanwhile, we have Copilot down here, deep working in my website. Let's reopen up cursor. A bunch of AIAs, bunch of AIs, bunch of AI talking to the oh, guess what? It cut. Oh, look at that! Look at that! My local host is popping up. Confident launched my website. Just launched it. You just launched it, Copilot. You fixed whatever was going on. Yeah. Am I going to be able to see my galleries? Starting the development. Oh, I was doing stuff right now. Codex is running a command. Let's see what's going on with that repository. I'm going to tell this agent to do something over here with my. Why is this taking so long? Damn, so you got another update while I'm live? That's two updates while I'm live. I'm actually very impressed how fast you're updating. So I got like mad on my website there. Oh, finally you load. All right, here's my website. You see it? Or my game. Right. I'm gonna show it to the screen. So this is my website that I've been coding live. This is my live website that I've been coding with ChatGPT. I haven't even been using Codex. This is crazy. But this is my site, right? Now this is what I've been doing last night with look what's already do. Go to edit it. Yes, same. Right now it says I'm live. Sounds like I'm crackling on live too. No. The Chinese robot? The new agent right now. We're gonna show this agent. This is what I'm saying on the marathon page. Please fix. All right. So now, since we actually got the website going, we'll see. I'm gonna move over. We'll just do right. So you can see right now, it's actually going into my code. I'll scan the code page, find the page and related styles, and open the key files to diagnose the layer visibility issue shown in your screenshot. I took a screenshot and I said, this is what I'm seeing on the marathon page, please fix. I like what it did with the boxes down there. I think that's dark mode. Yeah. That's an issue with dark mode. Oh, like then while that agent is doing that, right? Go into this, and then I need to actually screenshot that part where it says that, right? We're gonna have a new agent work on that issue. This is a Twitch video feed on Marathon page. Please fix. Now, because I'm not in a Netlify dev, I don't think it's gonna be live. Maybe it's just still running. Put my portfolio real quick. Yeah, so you can't see my portfolio. It's not gonna load because it's not in Netlify. What I want to do. I want to tell build the npm and run Netlify dev instead. Hello. You got excited. So this one said finish something over here, right? As you can see, it did do some edits, but in live, what it did is it just doubled my stuff and kind of took everything else out. And now, as you can see, it went back to being single. Right? Okay. Killed it. I needed to run a Netlify dev. Of this. We're about to start. There we go. How do you want to look like that? Please. Thank you. All right. Now we go here and go to portfolio. Yes. Pictures are loading. Now look at that. Oh, look at that. Yeah. You out of a game? Oh. All right. All right. Know that we are here. You see the buttons. Boom, boom. We see the galleries. Okay. And passive galleries. I don't know why it's so tiny. All right. It's for client gallery. All right. So now you hit the mouse. I need to see the mouse. You hit the mouse. Confusing to me. So we gotta tell them to bring the mouse back. Where are you? All right. Go. It just hit my mouse, right? Yeah. My mouse right here on the edit button. So we just told it to basically change the code live for the mouse. Once you see a little, oh my god, we got a flood warning in fact. Hold on, let's look at this flood warning, guys. Flood warning. The entire New York blood warm, guys. Hold Jesus. Until 3:40, until 5:30. We're going to get 1 to 2 inches of rainfall an hour. Thunderstorms. Turn around. Thinking about something. Says please refresh the page. So refresh. I pressed the wrong page. Now look at that. We refresh the page. Now we have the cursor back. Oh, it's annoying. Cursor away. Now we want this cursor, right? Yes. No. I see. So what you're not using every day. Not every day. Yeah, I got it working. So basically now I'm telling Cursor what's wrong with my website. And as it changes, all I do is refresh the website and so earlier I was having it where it's just a live refresh for me. But you'll see like right now it's writing code. And it's finding the error. The error right now is that it's not using the same cursor as my homepage. So it says you were right, the marathon route was basically disabling the animated cursor, so it wasn't the same as the homepage. They've gone ahead and re-enabled it. So now you say it's re-enabled, right? So without even refreshing the page, you see now the cursor is back to the same design as it was. Now, if we go to dark mode is still messed up, right? So what we want to do is we want to tell them now we need to fix the visibility issues in dark mode. Now, by accident, well, not by accident, yeah, kind of by accident, I was trying to change the color scheme on my website, and I kind of wanted a lot of this gold stuff going on, but and I sent it a color scheme, and it did an amazing job of using the color scheme, but it changed the kind of black and white background I had going on, so I have to kind of dial it back. So we'll go back and dial back the website. Now, this is all on my local server. None of this is being hosted yet because I'm just doing massive updates to the website. But as you see, between all of these AI bots stopping, we got the same code over here. They fixed all for persistent. Which solution do we pursue? All right. Let's ask, what do you suggest for maximum scaling? Now, cursor went ahead and finished. So before you put cursor's code, right? You said you finished, you fixed it, the dark mode. All right, dark mode is going up. Dark mode made my URL open, but it's still dark. So let me show cursor what's going on. All right. I'm streaming right now. Probably that's what's going on. I'm using too much of the network. All right. So refresh it. Mm-mm. All right. So I'm going to tell it to reset the whole site. All right. So I don't like what it's been doing on with my color scheme because I did this last night. So right now I'm going to tell it basically reset everything to um, white white text on black for dark mode and black text on white. So it's going to go ahead and make light mode in default white background, black text. Move current chart variables into data. Okay. So it's doing three things right now. So you see, it's just coding. I told it what I wanted to do, what I wanted to do, and it's just coding. Code is stopping. Let's go back to where did Codex go? Where did I have Codex open? Let's reopen Codex and see what's going on. So X codecs, if that npm run build worked for this sync jump build, right? You know, that. Oh, this is what codec was. Close that. Close that. That. I see doing this on the other side. On the marathon page, I need the Twitch screen to look like this. Because you went ahead and changed it how I had it originally. My issue is that chat is disabled. It's always right. It's my old I fixed open cursor. What did you fix? Look at that. And now you went ahead and put dark. Alright, light mode is correct. Okay. I wonder if it's my USB that's fucking up. Alright, this looks better. I can't, hold on. I beat. Okay. So I cannot use the microphone on this computer. Hold on.